Good morning, students. Take out your EVS book. Today we will do lesson 9. The name of the lesson is Living Things, Non-Living Things. Lesson 9, Living Things, Non-Living Things. Okay? Read from here. All the things that we see around us have some special features. All the things that we see around us have some special features. Features means विशेषताएं. उनमें कुछ ना कुछ विशेषताएं होती हैं. उनके बारे में हम कुछ ना कुछ बता सकते हैं. ठीक है. उनके डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स भी होते हैं उनके लिए जो हम यूज कर सकते हैं, है ना. वो भी फीचर्स होते हैं. ठीक है. तो ऑल द थिंग्स दैट वी सी अराउंड अस हैव सम स्पेशल फीचर्स. ड्यू टू दीज फीचर्स द थिंग्स आर क्लासिफाइड एज लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. Let us go through these features. Okay, these features classified the things as living or non-living things. Okay, so we will read about all these features in this lesson. Number 1 is all living things except plants. मतलब प्लांट से के अलावा कैन मूव ऑन देयर ओन. ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स कैन मूव जस्ट लाइक एनिमल्स, बर्ड्स, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, ऑल कैन मूव. प्लांट्स आर आल्सो लिविंग थिंग्स बट दे कैन नॉट मूव ऑन देयर ओन. यू कैन सी दिस प्लांट. दिस इज अ प्लांट. इट कैन नॉट मूव on its own. It will remain here. This is a living thing but it cannot move on their own. Okay. Non-living things cannot move on their own. But non-living things which cannot move, you can see this pencil. This is non-living thing. It cannot move on its own. This is a pen. It is also non-living thing and it cannot move on its own. Okay, the non-living things cannot move on their own, but living things can move on their own except plants. Okay, this is the first feature of living and non-living things, right? Now we will do this exercise. Tick those things which can move on their own. You will tick only those things which can move on their own. It means they are living things. We will tick living things only. Look here. This is a house. This is a house. House can move on its own? No, so we will not make a tick here. Okay. Second is there are two children. Can they move on their own? Yes, they can move, they can walk, they can run. Okay, so we will make a tick here. This is a clock. Can it move? No, very nice. So we will not make a tick here. These are pens. Pens can move on their own? No, very nice. We will not make a tick here. This is a book. What is a book? Living or non-living? Non-living because it cannot move on its own. Okay, so we will not make a tick here also. Last is a puppy. Okay, baby of dog. Is it a living thing or non-living thing? Living thing, yes, you know, it can move, it can walk, it can run. Okay, so it is a living thing. So we will make a tick here. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Living things can move on their own, but non-living things cannot move on their own. Okay. Now second feature, all living things can grow and change. Living things can grow. They can grow in big size. Okay, they can grow in size and they can change. Okay, just like this is a plant. When we sow a seed, then it is very small, but slowly it becomes big. Okay, so this is a living thing which can grow and change. Okay, non-living things cannot grow and change on their own. You can see this pencil again. This is a non-living thing. It cannot grow. ये बड़ी हो सकती है क्या? नहीं हो सकती ना. ये तो जितनी है उतनी ही रहेगी. अगर हम इसको अपनी कबर्ड में रख देंगे तो ये हमेशा इतनी ही रहेगी. It will remain same in size forever. Okay, if we will not use it, and if we will take a living thing, that will grow and that will change. Okay, so now read it again. All living things can grow and change. Non-living things cannot grow and change on their own. Okay, now we will do this exercise. To repeat it, tick only those things which can grow on their own. We will tick the things which can grow. Okay, so see here, this is a flower. This is a flower. There are leaves. Okay, so it can grow. It can grow and change. So we will make a tick here because this is a living thing. Okay, this is a baby. Can it change? Can it grow? Yes. It will be growing in a big boy and then into a big man. Okay, so it can grow and it can change because this is a living thing. So we will make a tick here. This is a chair. Chair cannot grow. आपके घर में चेयर है, वो बड़ी हो सकती है कोई? नहीं हो सकती ना. ये हमेशा इतनी ही रहेगी और ना ये चेंज हो सकती है ना. तो दिस इज अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग बिकॉज इट कैन नॉट ग्रो एंड इट कैन नॉट चेंज. ओके, तो वी विल नॉट मेक अ टिक हियर. दिस इज अ कार. कार कैन चेंज और ग्रो? No, car cannot grow and change. So we will not tick here. This is a sparrow. Sparrow can grow and change? Yes, sparrow can grow and change because this is a living thing. So we will make a tick here. Okay, this is a ice cream. Ice cream is a living thing? No, it's a non-living thing. It cannot grow, it cannot change. Okay, so we will not make a tick here. Okay, so living things can grow and change, and non-living things cannot grow and change. Okay, so today we have read about two features, and you will read it carefully and you will do this exercise also. Okay, thank you.